Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm in my yard putting up the trap. I wanted to do it yesterday, but I'll get to that in a minute. But let me show you how it works. Here's the trap. I have it aired up. I hope you were able to see that. Okay, let me finish putting it together and then I'll show you when it's done. Okay, the trap is now fully in place. That big round thing on top of the cap is the lure. As you can see, some of the stuff has dripped out for the squirrels to come. Okay, so we have a trap. I gotta move the water. We'll see what happens. Another thing I have are these, it came with these lure testers. Now, I know that I have squirrels. I really don't have to put these out because I see the ground squirrel den back there. They actually bit into one of my cucumbers. So yeah, I'm not gonna put these out. I stopped the water because I didn't want the water getting on the bait. They'll probably come out at night, like they usually do, and get the bait. So I was going to put the squirrel trap out yesterday, and when I got home, sorry, I'm just so tired. When I got home, and my mother was saying she was having pain in her neck, radiating to her ear. So of course I have to stop everything because I don't know if it's an emergency or not, and take her to ER. Took her to ER. We got there around 6 because I left work a little early. I got to work early. I got to work like an hour early, so I left about 20 minutes early yesterday. And she said the pain had been coming for a couple of days. So I said, why didn't you tell me? I said, why didn't you tell me earlier? I could have just left work. I'm a manager, you know. It was nothing. They think it's an ear infection, but I'm tired. They haven't gotten to my melons. She's okay. But we didn't get home till 11 o'clock, and then I ate really late. And then my alarm goes off at 5:30 on the weekends instead of, usually during the week it's 3 in the morning. On the weekends it's like 5:30 to give me that extra 2.5 hours of rest. And sometimes I have something to do and I'll get up, and then sometimes I'll just rest. But I didn't get to water my garden, and I see another watermelon growing. Or is that a sun jewel? Sorry, you guys know I get sidetracked. I think that's a sun jewel growing. Either way, so I got up and watered the garden this morning. I got a loofah growing over there. Um, and I'm kind of loving these cattle panel arches because the loofah is growing into the cucumber. But you could tell I'm tired. You could tell by my eyes I'm tired. So I literally didn't get to bed till after midnight. And I'm just tired. I have a spa day with my friends today, so I think I'm gonna call it quits for now. I watered the garden. I was gonna fertilize last night, but I'm too tired. I just went ahead and watered the trees a little bit over there, and I'll probably hand water. Oh, I won't be home tonight. I'll hand water some more tomorrow. I was gonna be washing clothes all day and tomorrow. Um, I'm just gonna lay in bed. I'm really I'm really tired. But anyway, we're gonna see how this squirrel trap works. I think it's gonna work. I put it on um, I screwed it into the grapevine bed because I know that they're the ones who broke the trellis and been crawling on the grapevine, because grapes are heavy, but they ain't that heavy to just knock down the trellis. So they broke the trellis and probably been eating on grapes over there and stuff. So I just put it over there, and looks they have not bitten into the eggplant yet, but I want to see how this is going to work. I just went ahead and watered the trees, and by it's supposed to, we may have thunderstorms in the area. I don't know. Um, but it's gonna be like 98 degrees out here today, so that ground is gonna dry quickly, and they're gonna come out this evening, and I want them to sense that. And I'm wondering if I should put one or two lures out against those barrels, like put a lure there, a lure, because I have wood barrels back there leading up into that trap, is what I'm thinking. Put about 3 lures. I think I might do that when the ground kind of dries off a little bit, and then lead it up to that trap, and then see what happens. Okay, I gotta clean up. I was able to get. I was adjusting the cages and a tomato fell off, and I went and got. Oh, they bit into this cucumber. Look, let me show you. They went around the back of it and bit into that cucumber. Can you see it? So I thought I got 2 cucumbers. I got 1. I got to throw that away because I'm not going to eat after a rabied animal. And that was a good cucumber too. See what I mean? That's why I put that trap out there, because they just take little nibbles. They scratching up my melons because they can't get to the melons. Yeah, I'm about to deal with that family. I'm about to have some squirrel fertilizer. I'm tired. Okay, everybody. So it's probably about maybe 7 in the morning. I'm gonna go lay back down. All right. I'll let you guys know what happens with the squirrel trap. Bye. Oh, I need to do a recall video. I do have 1 or 2 recalls. Um, I'm gonna try to do it right now before I go take my nap. All right. Love you all. Have a good day.